Okay, so what I'm doing here is working on a Sea-Doo. This is like a 2017 Spark, Sea-Doo Spark. And at the end of the year, you gotta blow water out of the hull, any that might be left in there, through that little, here it goes up into the system up in there. So you put air in there. And I made myself a little part of a hose, an old hose, and then I stuck fitting for the air compressor in here. There's no on off or anything. And so what I'm going to do is tighten that up so it's a good seal. There we go. And we're gonna put this on here, and we should get water coming out of it. And we did. Water's coming out of here, here. Alright, it looks like about a minute and a half will save me from having a cracked hull. Alright, thanks for watching.